Okay guys, here is phase one. We are doing the kitchen remodel. This is the before, of course. It looks like a mess. I took off all the hardware today and cleaned out most of the cabinets. These are some old cabinets, so just FYI, and there's some stains on there. Actually, this is some of the wood falling off. But it looks pretty nasty inside. So this is, we're cleaning and getting everything taken off and out of the cabinets and all that good stuff. So no more black and brown. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. But I'm having a lot of anxiety about getting it done. I don't know why, but I am. I just feel my heart racing just talking about it. But it's gonna look so much better. So I can't wait. So this is the before. Okay guys, we got our countertops in today, but we have not done the sink yet, which is going right there because we ran out of time. But we did get a new microwave and I started slowly getting things in. So we will give you a big tour and all that fun stuff and show you all around. But here's the countertops, and you know what? It's so funny because if you guys watch Bella Boo's lunches, she has the same exact countertops, and I just texted her. I'm like, I think we have the same countertops, and sure enough, we do. It's so crazy. And somebody commented not too long ago that we're like twins, lunch mom twins. I guess I think that's what she said. I'm not 100% sure, but I think we really are. It's so crazy. Same taste. Just wanted to show you guys the nighttime look that we have. We put lights, LED lights underneath the cabinets. And I think it looks really pretty.